How heavy is that? How heavy? Heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's heavy. Can you be able to? That's heavy. Come higher. This is really heavy. Wow. It's strong. It's really strong. It's not up high, but I'm just going to do a video.
Okay. Okay.
Angle it. The other way. The other way. Yeah. It's not a very good video. You're not a good video, Bubba. You're straight it.
Where?
Yeah, it's heavy, Bubba. Okay, it's not a good video. Hey guys, we're waking up another day here, Hanoi. It looks like there's hopping on buses over there, Bubba. Yeah, that's right. Is it, Bubba?
19
Let's fly out here. 146.
Take a picture.
I'll go back. There's Bubba getting photos of this statue here. There's a tour going on over there. We're going to look around here, Bubba. Wait. Okay. Quick. Run over. This guy here in the flowers. He's not even looking where he's going. Right, he's got his phone. Oh, he's looking where he's going, Bubba. Try this way?
This is the bridge.
Huh? The bridge? Oh, this is the bridge that lights up. Okay.
I think so? Yeah. The one that lights up.
When it lights up. We gotta pay, I think.
No.
You gotta pay.
No, just here.
Yeah, I think you gotta pay.
We're not going to.
Huh?
We're just here. We're not going to the temple.
Okay, so
Just going to the beach.
I think they need more restrooms around for people that need to go to the toilet a bit. Alright.
What is this?
A lot of tours going. You need tickets. Tickets to go across the bridge.
That
Need tickets. Let's go.
ticket.
Ticketed bridge. Okay. What's the step? A bit hazy, smoky. Hazy, smoky. Let's go that way. Let's go the other side over there. This way? This way? There. That way. There. Okay. Lazy took the photo for us. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You go round.
Yeah.
You go round next. After go round next, you go round 1/4.
Yeah.
Yeah. You will look photo. Then
How much?
yeah, $300,000.
Yeah, well, we need to get some a bit of money change.
Yeah.
Like I said, tomorrow, we're going towards the markets, night market apparently up here. The lake?
It's going to be in the center.
Yeah. Yeah. Bubba's first time here, my first time here. It is pretty. I gotta say, it's pretty. Night market? Don't know if it's it. Turn left? Okay. What is this, Bubba? Smells very strong. What is it?
What is that? Potato.
Huh? Chips?
And then this
hot.
one, pancake.
Pancake? Pancake?
Pancake.
Ah, pancake. Ah, there you go, Bubba. So be careful there because there's very good pickers, pocketers. So I've got the bag in front of me. Oh, it smells. Look at all the food smells there. What do you got here? Hey, Bubba, where's she going now? She can't be hungry, surely. You hungry, Bubba? Street food.
How much?
corn?
Corn. How much?
Corn?
30.
30. One, Papa?
Baba wants corn.
You want corn?
Corn?
You want the try one?
Yeah, if you want.
Let's
You
try.
got that?
Try one. Let's try one. 30.
Yeah? Try one?
30.
You got the dong? Got me dong? Baba's gonna try some. This food, you can smell it all.
Bảo với họ là cái này vẫn còn sống. Như anh. Bảo với họ cái này vẫn còn sống. Cái này
Not cooked properly, Baba?
chín rồi. Mà có khi là
Hả?
có cái kiểu phong cách gạo. Là phải đợi chưa chín.
It's not cooked. No, wait, Baba.
No finish. Nếu mà you buy, I have cooking for you. Yeah, one. One. This. Yeah.
How long? How long?
Còn this is finished.
How long?
Yeah, this one finished.
Right, fish, Baba. I want some corn. What about dong? Chicken. It's not cooked yet, is it?
This one finished. Yeah. You want spicy?
You try, Baba. You try, Baba. Skip. Baba wants corn. Corn in Hanoi, Baba. She's thinking. I don't think she thinks she got the right one. She didn't get the right one, did you? But out of those 4, she picked the wrong one. Yeah, I'll try, Baba. You're right. Right, so there you go. First time here. These night markets we finally found in Hanoi. Apparently got really good pickpockets. Yeah?
Good for you.
Yeah, okay. Coconut? You're right, Baba.
One.
No, it's fine. I'm not carrying a coconut around me. Go straight. I'm carry a coconut, Baba. Ski. Right. What's this one here, Baba? Ice cream? Looks nice. It's like
Don't, you cannot have ice
it's
cream.
coated. Coated with something. Eh? It's got smoking. It's got like methanol or something. Alright. Me, I don't want these. I've got plenty of glasses, Baba. Plenty of glasses. No, Baba. That's not me. That's not me, Baba. That's not me. That's fine. I got plenty of glasses. A lot of glasses. I got 2 pairs in there with me. I need to get some fridge magnets, Baba. I get some fridge magnets. That's what I want. Look at this. It's pretty cool. Hey. You got Tom and Jerry. The figurines. There's a lot of figurines there.
I remember.
Yes.
That
Baba.
white.
Yeah. It's all right.
1 3XL. Can I check the 3XL of that? 3XL.
You can check size in the shop.
3XL. 3XL.
Yeah. You can check size in the shop. Yeah.
3XL.
Baba, you need a knife.
What?
You got a knife on.
80. For you.
No. These coats. Mum will like these coats. Mum loves coats like that.
Yeah, which one?
Mum likes sort of
You
coats.
want to buy for one?
No. Mum.
2,000 only. Nice for Baba.
Facial. Hello. Hello. Smell like this, Bubba. Barbecue pork chicken. You won't like that one. Sorry? Yeah. Where we go? Steve, what's this? Bamboo? Alright, we're going to go up to Sapa. I like entrance here. So much to see. Nice one, down there.
That's a cruise, right?
The train, I've been to the train. I've been here in the train on the cruise ship. The train, Ho Chi Minh. That's further down. That's further down, is it? Okay, I thought it was up here. This is a Vietnam travel map. Sapa was we're here and Papa wants to go there, there. The train, in Chum, Ho Chi Minh, been at 2019. Heaps to see. Heaps to see. Sapa trekking. There's Sapa.
Yeah.
Papa wants to go.
Come with it, the $49. Come with it.
Yeah. Come with this $49.
Even kayaking.
Of course.
Bubble boat. And then this one.
Yeah.
You can't make Papa.
Tito Island. Yeah. 6 hour cruising.
Wow.
Cruise. Cruise.
Yeah, cruise.
Just free breakfast and lunch, dinner.
Buffet lunch.
Free lunch.
Yeah.
The one.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
start. Check
Nice.
this one.
Yeah.
Cruise.
Buffet lunch.
That's it, the ship.
Yeah. This
Wow, it's better than Rum Baba in Thailand. Yeah. Nice.
very nice.
Very nice.
Then this
And
one.
they have a
Oh,
mini
cruise ship.
swimming pool. Jacuzzi. See the bed?
Caves.
Yeah. Kayaking by yourself, bamboo boat.
It's a big, you want to stay there, wouldn't you?
Maybe we